Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up, we got Eppley Limited, company that has been on a roll with its earnings per share, profitability, and reflected in the share price. Share price up big time over the past 12 months. Trading in the shares here for Eppley. In the biz, they really call this a cross trade, matching up here exactly on the buy side and the sell side. Connected person selling 825,000 shares January 7th, 2022 to kick off this year. And on the buy side, matching units, 825,000 units, connected person as well on the said date. Now, Berger Paints Jamaica Limited. We haven't seen too much action coming out of the camp there in terms of corporate actions, but no, this is a big one. Appointment of a CFO, a new CFO in the building there at Berger. Mr. Carlington Montgomery has been appointed Chief Financial Officer of Berger, the paint that Jamaica loves, well known, been in Jamaica a long time, effective December 28, 2021. Additionally, company secretary, effective January 10th this year. Now, Jamaica Teas Limited, share dealings here or trading in their shares. An advisor by the company, a director has exercised options to purchase shares in Jam Tea on the 11th of January 2022 for a whopping 2.6 million shares. A lot of shares there. Tells you something about Jam Teas. They got a lot going on. The company's been doing so well, especially the manufacturing segment. Now, QWI Investments Limited, updated net asset value. We spoke about this recently on BL. This is as at now, January 7th this year. QWI Investments NAV, Jamaican $1.40 per share, slightly up from the Jamaican $1.30s range we saw a lot last year, but still a slow move overall. Last up here, the Branson Space Company, Virgin Galactic, planning to raise here 500 million US of debt. A lot of analysts saying, boy, it could be a dark hole, just a lot of debt here piling onto the company, but they're raising 425 million US for the sale of 2027 convertible senior notes through a private offering, and an additional 75 million US option is also expected to be granted to buyers. Now, the space company, just to refresh everybody's memory, it went public via a SPAC in October 2019, and the objective of this debt raise is to fund working capital and capex for the development of its spacecraft fleet. Now, the goal here overall, it's space tourism, like the ticker symbol is like space, and it's Branson. Now, the stock is coming actually from 2019 around $10, went to $62, back around $10, down 15% today. So we'll see what happens here. I'm Mark Croskery. This is BL.